Hey eBay, I have up for sale here what Boker called it in their catalog was a medium premium stock knife, number 8113. This is a pre-1975 Boker. It's got rings on the bolsters there. 3 blades. It's got a long Turkish clip blade, a spay blade, and a pen blade. It's 3.5 inches closed when it's all closed up. Fits perfect in your watch pocket on your jeans or knife pocket. Let's take a look at it here. It's got a good snap. On the blades here. It's the back side of the knife there. Front side. It's a Boker USA. Again, 8113 is the model. It's in great shape, as you can see. Nice and solid. Alright, so that's the knife for you. Kind of pull them out here. You kind of see it. Happy bidding.